Sri Radhe guys, my name is Varun Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's train video without having the further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the routine of 27th June 2024 of the day 204. Okay, so basically guys, in this video, basically nowadays I didn't do too much thing by the way. I just searching for the better career option. That's it. So first of all, I woke up, not very soon. Okay, so basically I woke up and. After that, I brought my cloth and approximately around maybe. So after that I went to the ground floor. I washed my mouth. After that I taken the bath. After that I worshipped it in a very proper manner. So basically this is a thing which was I had done today, and basically not done too much thing, okay, extra. Okay, I was just doing the first floor to ground floor to first floor. That is it. Okay, and yeah. So basically, I ate food. Okay, what I ate food. Let me think. Basically, the thing is that yesterday electricity connection were going open close. Electricity connection on off. This is the only thing which was happened through the entire day, and that is it. So basically just because of the light I wasn't able to do enough many things. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened today. I know that today's video will be gonna be very boring, but it's actually happened. So basically after that, from the first floor to ground floor, that's all the things which was happened. I spent my time with family. Okay, and at the time of evening, but electricity connection went on. So my father, like chantana, what we call chantana in English. So let me write it so that I can translate very soon. Here is my vocabulary notebook. Okay, so let me write it. So here is I've already done. So yeah, that is a thing which was happened. So I was just shooting the video, and that the shoot video and asking some stupid question, not a stupid question, just asking the a simple questions. And basically the thing is that when light went, so I asked my father some questions very deeply, not sorry guys, I use and it's a thing, seems like Hindi word. Sorry, my apologize. So simply language and asking for their uh, what he is doing. Okay, so basically that's all the things which was I had talked to my father, and I really very too much I learn after knowing this, and it makes me wise person. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened and at the time of evening. So basically you know I ate food. What I ate today at the time of evening, I ate um, you know uh, rice, potato fries, and pulses maybe. Okay, but I ate this. So basically this is a thing which was happened, and my father also watching the Akbar and Birbal cartoon shows basically, and I saw that my father watching this show after so many time. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened, and after that I came to the first floor. Okay, so that's it. This is a thing which was happened, and at the time of after that I went to the first floor for sleeping. Basically electricity connection went go and on off. That's all the thing which was happened at the time of 12. I just practiced the Joe's talk English practice text. Okay, after that electricity connection on. So after that I went to the bed, and again I laid down to the bed, and after that again electricity connection went off. So at the end around 1:30 the electricity connection on, and after the having the that's all the thing which was happened. And at the time of around 3 a.m. something happened, and after that me and my mother went to the bathroom, and after that heavy rainfall happens guys. Heavy rainfalls come, and after that we came home. I'm totally very uh, gila, seems like very, why I'm using Hindi word. It seems like I was not too much dry. My clothes, it is liquidated, like because of rain water. So after that I changed my clothes, and after that I went for the sleep to the ground floor. And one thing is happened in Delhi's one of the airports roof. okay, not too much. Siding roof were falls down just because of the heavy rain. So basically guys, this is a thing which all happened today, and that's all the things which was happened. So sorry, basically it was I was shooting today is the 20, sorry. So basically this is a thing which was happened. Now let me explain you what I have done the mistake. So basically guys, from now this video is about the today, that means sorry, this video is about the routine of 27th June 2024. Because of the continuously electricity on off, that's why I was unable to shoot the 27th June routine video. When I was started shooting the video, electricity went, and after that my all the video becomes very bad. So that's why. So this video is about the 27th June. After that I will shoot present day's routine video, that is 28th June. So from now if I tell you today, that means 27th June, because this video is about the 27th June routine. Okay, so till yet I didn't know about it. Today I did, that means 27th June. I did not know about that the airport's roof falls down. So basically this is the thing which was happened, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you'll understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. Okay, so let's start today's 5 word. 1 2 3 4 5. So our first word is mehman, that is guest. Some guests came in our house, that's why we celebrated party. Relative means guys, we say that rishtedar. Some of the relatives will come today, so be aware that, and clean the room at a very proper manner. Tenant means kirayadar, we have to pay money to the tenants. That's after that we will live in this room. Okay, so watchman, chokidar. Watchman is not doing the great work. I think we should hire the new watchman. Orphan means guys anath. He's an orphan guy, very poor. So basically 1 2 3 4 5. We have done today's 5 word. Okay, so let's start today's one accounting topic. That is let me check it. One accounting topic, let me mark it. Yeah, one accounting topic. What is ESOP? IESOP, Employees Stock Option Plan. Basically guys, I don't know enough about that, but maybe it is correct. Let me tell you. Employees Stock Option Plan says about the company hired at a proper time. For that you have to work 5 years, 10 years. After that you will get our shares at a very low price. Seems like this, but I'm not properly sure. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was happened today. So let's start today's whole vocabulary from bottom to the top. So let's start from orphan. So yeah, अनाथ, orphan, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, किराएदार, टेनेंट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, मेहमान, गेस्ट, बातूनी, गैरुलस, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, समझदार, वाइज, एंड वी कैन से दैट ऑल्सो सेंसिबल, किसको, हुज, किसका, नो, किसको, हुम, किसका, हुज, अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, घटिया, वी कैन से सॉडी, फौजी, सैनिक, वी कैन से सोल्जर, और वी ऑल्सो कैन सोल्जर, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, जुआरी, गैमलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, गड्ढा, पेट, कीचड़, कीचड़, वी कैन से मड. ओके, बोना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, वी कैन से सुखदायक. It is soothing. I always forget this too. Soothing. सत्यानाश, डैमेज, प्रतीत होना, सीम, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच, वरदान, we can say वरदान is वरदान, boon. Yes, it is boon. श्राप, कर्स, खुजली, इचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, ओथ, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, राइट, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, आचार, पिक्कल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, या मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास, स्ट्रगल, नॉट इट इज एफर्ट. धरती और धड़कन, हार्टबीट, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ट, झूला, स्विंग, इच्छा, डिजायर, घाव, वाउंड, घूरना, स्टेयर, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, एसेट इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, उचित, प्रॉपर, उलझन, कन्फ्यूजन, डिलेमा, उम्मीद, होप, हालत, कंडीशन, भाग्य, फेट, यस इट इज़ फेट। थोड़ा, ए लिटल बिट, तालमेल, कोऑर्डिनेशन, जिद्दी, स्टबर्न, उत्साह, एंथुजियाज्म, उपाय, रेमेडी, और वी कैन सी ऑल्सो दैट सॉल्यूशन। बीमार, सिक, यस इट इज़ सिक। आदत, हैबिट, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, प्राचीन, एंसाइंट, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस। उपयुक्त, प्रॉपर। मूली, रेडिश, पालक, स्पिनच, पालक, यस इट इज स्पिनच। शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर। बर्तन, यूटेंसिल्स, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब, कमर, वेस्ट, इट इज़ वेस्ट। चोट, इंजरी, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कांच, ग्लास। पैदल, ऑन फुट, नतीजा, आउटकम के बजाय, इंस्टीट, मुश्किल से, बैडली, आधी रात, मिडनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, आज रात, टुनाइट, पक्का, श्योर, पर्दे, कर्टेन के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, बगल में, बिसाइड, पकड़ना, कैच, खिलाना। फीड, भौंकना, बार्क, रोना, क्राई, विचार, थॉट, न्याय, जस्टिस, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, विरोध करना, अगेंस्ट, पहुंचना, अराइव, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलेट, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली, डांटना, स्कोल्ड, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, लगाव, अफेक्शन, इश्कबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, कुवाड़ा, बैचलर, बहादुर, ब्रेव, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, परेशानी, ट्रबल, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, पास, नियर, खटखटाना, नॉक, बनाना, क्रिएट, पीछे, बिहाइंड, सचमुच, लिटरली, जरूरी, जरूरी, असेंशियल, निश्चित रूप से, अपेरेंटली, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, धीरज, पेशेंस, लिफाफा, एनवलप, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, आश्चर्य, वंडर, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, सांस, ब्रीथ, भक्त, डिवोटी, उत्सुक, ईगर, उत्सुक, ईगर, या आत्मा, आत्मा, सोल, बेचैनी, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज। So basically guys, this is a thing which was happened today, and I told you every word which is here. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. Let's end the video guys. Sri Radhe, bye bye.